This is motor with springs. This is solar panel with springs. This is now join the positive terminal with the negative terminal of motor and vice versa. Now cover the solar panel. Now let us assemble the gearbox. Now take the gear shaft and place it like this. Now adjust the springs. Now cover the gearbox. Now assemble the fan and fix it. Now it is ready. I have made this project by using a solar panel and a gearbox. When the sunlight falls on a solar panel, it starts moving. But when the sunlight is not falling, it stops. Thank you.